Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. I'm going to keep this brief as this is not a typical video that I make on my channel, but I feel the need to show this kind of flaw for Kinemaster. Now, Kinemaster Kinemaster is a video editing program that I think is very good. I came from iPhone, now I have Android phones, and so without iMovie, I needed something to make little videos for my YouTube channel and for little family outings and things. So, the problem with Kinemaster is it does not import HDR10 very well. So when you import it, it displays the video very dimly, and you end up having to up the gain in order to get it back to a acceptable level, in my opinion. And that still doesn't solve the problem, because in HDR10 Plus, the color and contrast are pretty good. I like it, but you can't really use it in Kinemaster. So I'll show you. Here is a video that I made in Kinemaster. This isn't a raw clip. This is a video that I stitched together into this pond. It's not too crazy and too crowded here. Even on set, wider, rustic looking. So even in just that brief clip, you can see this footage is pretty dark. And it was not that dark when I initially imported the video to put it together. So I'll open Kinemaster and show you what it does. All right, so we'll slide this over, and here we're in Kinemaster, and this is a project that I just started for the purposes of this video. And as you can see, this footage is of the same park, and it looks just as dark. So we'll slide this over. Don't know if you can see that on the screen, but with the footage, what you have to do is cut the gain up. And you cut it to about 25, because if you cut it up larger than that, I'll go back to, this is a good clip. I used to, or previously, I thought I could fix everything by upping the gain to like 40 something. But as you can see, the sky gets washed out when you do that. It looks very unnatural here. And when you do it 25, it still looks a little dim. But it's bright enough for you to be able to use, in my opinion. So that's the fix. But Kinemaster, it's kind of tricky, because when you go to open something up, that's HDR10. And let's see, hopefully I don't show anything too crazy. I don't have anything crazy on my phone, but nope, that's not what we wanted. Want to go to footage. Let's go here. Phone's going to take a while. So, this is a clip from the park. So, when I preview the clip... Alright, so here's the front part of the park. So, I did not go all the way around that way, because then you get trapped. And you pretty much have to walk. So, as you can see, the clip looks great whenever I'm previewing it. But here we are. So, here's the front. So as you can see, I've added it to the project that I'm making, and it's very dim. You can tell the video quality is pretty good, but it's just like this film that's been laid over it. And I've reached out to Kinemaster, and they basically told me to update to the 5.0 version. I did that, and it's still doing this. So they're asking me to send some footage in and kind of go over again what I've done. But yeah, just as a point of reference, I'll import a non-HDR plus clip that I took, and it is a standard height, so this truck is about 6 feet tall. Okay, so that previews pretty well, so we'll go ahead and add that in, and we'll go ahead and play that. And as you can see, this footage was made using a lesser phone. I'm currently filming this on my V60. An LG phone, and I took this footage with the V40, and as you can see, it looks pretty good, but it's not HDR10 plus. So anyway, there's not really a fix, but I figured I would share this video because you could up the gains on the video, and it'll still be useful if you don't have the opportunity to go back and recapture the footage.